Good evening. Can you hear me? If so, can you please put a message? Hi, hello. Can you hear me? If so, can you please put a message in the comment box? Hi, friends. Welcome to Vani Rani. Today we have joined here to learn about cloud AI. Apart from that, we also I have joined here to clarify doubts about our previous live on Notebook LM. So, if you have any doubts, please put in the chat box regarding Notebook LM. Parallelly, we will start with Cloud AI. CLAUDE, Cloud AI. Okay, give me 1 second. I have just downloaded all my things. 1 second, 1 second. Hi, meanwhile, can you please put in the chat box? Good evening, everyone. Hi, hello. Satyamani madam, namaste Andy. Can you all hear me? So let us start with our today's slide. Today I am going to discuss about cloud AI complete tour. Like just like Notebook LM, I'll be discussing about cloud AI. Like Notebook LM also, we have discussed about the basic things. Today also we are going to discuss about cloud AI in basic module. So I welcome you everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Vani Rani channel. If you are being here about cloud AI, everyone and wondering whatever is this thing and how do I actually use it, then this video is made exactly for you. Today I am breaking down the cloud AI in complete step by step guide, whether you are totally beginner or someone who tried it once and got confused and left it. By the end of this video you will be able to By end of this video, you will be able to know exactly how to use Cloud AI like a pro. So in simple steps, I am going to uh, teach you how to use Cloud AI like a pro. So it's a free account and all the way and an advanced features, promoting tricks and even the API ads. So grab your coffee or tea, hit the like button and let's get into it. Before we do anything, let me quickly explain what Cloud AI is, because it's not just another ChatGPT. Let me clearly explain the difference between ChatGPT and Cloud AI. ChatGPT is one of the generative AI, which will give you or which will assist you in advising. Whereas Cloud AI is a tool which will in fact help you in doing all your tasks. Like for example, let us take, I want to organize my files on my desktop. So in ChatGPT, if you ask in a ChatGPT how to organize the files in folders, it will give you certain steps. Whereas in Cloud AI, you just upload the document and give the permissions. It itself organize your screenshots, images, videos, audios, anything. And anyway, this comes under Coworker, which will be an advanced feature which we are going to learn in the next live. So let us come back to the basics because I want you to be thorough with basics. Then we will start with this one. So meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please text me. I'll clarify all your doubts. Now, Cloud AI is an AI assistant built by a company called Anthropic. Now, Anthropic was the founder in 2021, formed an open AI researchers. Okay, the main motto of Cloud AI is safe, honesty, and genuine helpful. Now, Cloud AI can do pretty much everything you won't expect from the top AI. Mainly, this AI was designed for writing, coding, analyzing your documents, and brainstorming, summarizing your content. But what it makes difference is it focuses on being honest and harmless. So, unlike other AI tools, it is comparatively most safe, honest, and harmless. So, it won't just tell you what you want to do. In few versions of cloud, it will in fact work for you, just like your co-worker. Now, let us create a free account for this. So, before all these things, please consider liking, and please comment if you don't understand anything. I am comfortable in any language. As my subscribers asked me to communicate in English, I'm trying to communicate in English. If you don't understand anything, please let me know. I'll just translate the same thing in Telugu or Hindi. Please consider subscribing. Now, all the thing you have to do is getting start is completely free with Cloud AI. Open your browser, search for Cloud AI. Even I am putting it in the chat box so that it is easy for you to browse. Okay, so I have already posted in the chat box. So search for Cloud AI and then click on sign up with your Google account. You get some verification steps, you have to go through it. First phase is free until or unless if you have to use Cloud Pro, which is around $20 per month. But mostly we don't need it because all the two things are here ready made. So I have already mentioned you Cloud AI is used for what? Cloud AI is used for what? I have already mentioned you. It is used for writing content. I mean, any writing skill. It is a best tool for your writing skills, coding, document analysis, so on. So in today's video, you are going to learn everything. Hi Manasa Garu, I'm fine. How are you? Oh, thank you, Manasa and your mom. Thank you so much. So let us continue with our cloud AI. So before that, before starting anything, let us understand the difference. So meanwhile, I want all of you to log in into Cloud AI and start working. And at the end of the session, I will definitely tell you why we have to use cloud instead of ChatGPT. How like ChatGPT versus cloud we will be discussing soon. So let me share my entire screen so that you are also comfortable, and you can work with me parallelly. Thank you, Bhavana Garu. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Sorry, Manaru, thank you so much. I hope you all can see my screen. Now, in the search engine, you just need to type Cloud AI, which I have already posted in your chat box. So just type cloud.ai, CLAUDE.ai. And now you are going to connect with your Google account to it. Now, I'm just connecting it to my Google account so that it is helpful for me to show you. So actually I have already logged in. That's the reason why it is showing you. It is so easy. If you are the first time user, it will ask you for verifications and other stuff. And for example, your screen just looks like this, and you have on the this side towards your left side, you have open slide bar and then new chart, search, customize tools, chats, projects can be done, artifacts can be done, and you can even do coding. And if you want, you can download any extensions and use it. And below it is your login details here available. And on the center, whatever space you are seeing, it is all about your chart area, the work area or workplace where you start communicating with this. And next, on the top, can you see right side? An incognito window is there. We will discuss about incognito also in this session today. Now, let me break down our session into few things. Now, in the first section, what I'll do is, unlike ChatGPT version 3.0 and 4.0, it is not like it don't what I have to take. It updates on day-to-day basis. Like for example, I'm just clicking on what's new development. I'm searching, okay, on AI in the past 2 days. Okay, so what was the new development in the past 2 days? Now, if you click on plus symbol, can you see web search? That means your Cloud AI is connected directly to your web. I know I have done a spelling mistake here. It is still fine. It can understand your language and just click on enter. Now it takes few seconds and it searches our requesters into different websites. If you can see here, it is searching our information in different zones and. So it has searched and gave you my information. AI news, check these resources, and all this stuff can be given to you. So through internet or through web search, you will be getting all the information. Now, like unlike the Chat GPT, let me tell you once. Let me ask certain questions. Like one second, I have already copied few questions here, and I'll just copy those questions. I'm not finding exactly the question. So let us, one second. Now, can you see? Explain what machine learning is in simple terms, just like you are teaching to 15 years old child. So these explains you very clearly what is machine learning related to my subject, computer subject. Okay. Similarly, you can ask any content related to your subject. It will be clearly explaining you like a child of mentioned years, so that it don't use hi-fi fancy languages and give you get everything in basic. So, okay, so this is how it explains. So, if you see, a machine learning is basically teaching computers to learn from their experience just like you do. So, just it takes a small example for like animal, father and child, and how to identify a dog. You teach the children the same way how you can teach to a machine. It is showing here. Okay, this is how you can adapt. So this language will adapt the changes and work according to it. Again, these are of five types, like simple to complex topic, writing something, piece of code, make decisions, create plan. You can do anything. So let us try ask it in simple complex topic. So let me ask a complex topic. Okay, so anyway, same topic you can ask in a complex type. Like write something like an email to a captain. So I am writing an email hmm, to my boss for not attending meeting in polite way. So now now it takes certain time. It writes an email to my boss in an polite way. Can you see, dear boss name, whatever it may be? It absence from work apology letter has been given. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing. See, if you check this, all the rules has been given it properly. Now, if you see the same content, can you see here down user style? This is normal style. Now learning style will be there, and then concise means short. So I want it more formal, so I'll just paste the same question again, write an email to my boss in a polite way, same content I will be posting it here and see how it writes. So here you can even mention your user style, and if you want you can customize it. You have more formal, explanatory, concise, is a shortcut, learning, anything can be done here. Okay, let second. So if anyone have any doubts, you can ping me in the chat. Yes, slowly we will come into complex things. Uh, we will start slowly, we will come into complex things. So from basic to complex we will be transferring. Please wait, first let me explain entire cloud AI to the people who don't know it very clearly and who are the first users. Then we will discuss about the complex complex website designing, coding, how to create app, those all things also will be coming soon. Yeah. um, One second. So until here, if anyone have any doubts, please let me know. I'll clarify all your doubts. Otherwise, I'll continue with the class. If you have any doubts, you can post me. I'll clarify all your doubts. If no doubts, we will continue. So here we have two versions of your email writing. So as I told, it is used for writing your mails and other things. Now let me create a fitness plan for or a study plan for 30 days. So let me create a fitness plan for 30 days. And if you see, you get a schedule here about all your um, plan. So it takes certain time to check it out. Once it is done, you will be getting it. So this was the code which was running behind our plan or our document. So it is creating a 30-day fitness plan as a Word document. And it is very easy to download and use it. So let us watch. Wait for some time so that you get your fitness plan. If you see, it is working on day 28 right now and day 30 is done. And all the styles and all are being done. So let us wait. So, like ChatGPT, you get so many other things where you can use in Claude. Why it is better is comparatively in depth. Can you see here? My fitness plan is ready. Week one is foundation building. Week two is building movements, and week three increases instance. Week four is the peak performance. Now, can you see? Cardio 3 times per week, strengthening, rest and recovery time you have to spend. If you say my 30 days plan is ready, and first day what you have to do, second day what exercise, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, and it initially gave you like a basic one. If you, and even if you see, you cannot what you can eat, what is good fat, what is bad fat. Even this was mentioned. If you want, you can upload to your drive or download. Now, so we have learned how to create a fitness plan. Now, if you want to create a PPT on any topic, on topic say Newton's law, so it takes certain time for grade 10. So according to the standards of grade 10, I want it to create a PowerPoint. So it itself will check a nice backgrounds, the text what to be displayed, how to be displayed, and it runs the commands. Next, it can install the packages here, and you get your PowerPoint after working for some time. So let us wait for some time so that you can actually see your PowerPoint. Now, if you see, it is creating Newton's laws PowerPoint for grade 10. Whatever laws Newton has been, you will be getting all those laws in short PowerPoint, which is actually helpful for the students and the teachers to explain as well as students to understand it much better. If you have a document or a lesson in the form of PDF, you just upload with the attached symbol here and give your instructions, you will get. Now it is working on the first law. Can you see the code running behind it? And as I already committed to all of you, we will start basic coding classes also, live classes also soon. But it takes certain time. Let us finish the basic things of basic AI coding. Apart from that, I was planning to teach you how to build your own AI assistant chatbot of your own um, in basic level. Even this planning is also going on, which we will be sharing you short. As of now, let us concentrate on Cloud AI complete tour. We are going to complete it today. Okay, once we are done with all the basic things, then we will go with more complex codings. So this is how you can actually create your PowerPoint. Of course, it runs certain codes. Even I explain you what the code, how it is running, and all those things will be shared with you. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can always post in the chat box. And please consider liking our video. If you like, please share to others. So it takes certain time, but see, slide 9 is closing line. Once it is done, towards right side, you get our PowerPoint. If you want to edit, you can download it and even you can edit it according to your requirement. So wait for some time so that you get PowerPoint. Even how to make PowerPoint, I have already showed in a video earlier. Um, so I don't think you'll have so many questions. So question number 1, in slide 1, you will be getting the title, and 2 to 5, you will be getting your all the things here. So it is specifying, it is giving you summary of what content it is going to display. So let us wait. I am eagerly waiting to check how my PowerPoint looks. So slide 5 has an text overflowing issue on example of car, swimming, walking, and skydive. Uh, so that fitting can be done. So if it is facing any problem, it will be mentioning here where you can reply. If you don't reply, it will try to revert on itself. See, if I did not give any reply, so it try to render itself and do the slide 5 again. Once it has done with slide 5, it is working with 6 and 6 to 9. Now it has completed to 7 to 9 slide. Means out of 9 it is working on 7th slide. So if it faces any difficulty, you will get a text. If you don't give any reply, it itself redo the same work again. Whereas in ChatGPT, Gemini, or Notebook LM, this can't be done. And last class when I showed you Notebook LM also, the PPT whatever you get cannot be edited. But here no such issues will be there. Whatever PPT or Word document you will be getting, it can be edited according to your comfort. So if it is facing certain issues, so it will be correcting itself, doing it and giving it. Now almost my slide 9 is done. So let us wait for a few seconds and see. what happens. So file is loading, so we will wait. All the 9 slides look great. Let me copy the file to the output. Now, if you see on the right side, you get your output loading. I haven't done anything. Your Newton's law of motion is ready. Can you see here? All slides content is showing here. Can you see on the chart box? It is showing what is the content to be displayed. Now on the right side, let us see. You have Newton's law of motion. If you see the PowerPoint, it looks more professional. Like first law, second law, even the formulas. First law is inertia, second law is F is equals to ma, third law action and reaction. And if you see it, if you have to do this manually, this professionally, it takes a lot of time for you. And if you can see here how beautifully it has done all the slides for me. Can you see? And it has given working examples. You have, it has summarized all the 3 laws, and quick quiz also it has conducted. Like you will get all the things to be taken. Now if you want, you can download it, and then you have to open it. So I'll just open it because I have WPS also. I'll just open with PowerPoint. So it is very easy to edit it. So meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please put in the chat box. Now I am opening my PowerPoint. If you see, my PowerPoint is getting open. So I just don't want to edit anything. And no, and then close and click on edit. Now my entire PowerPoint is downloaded into this one. I did not mention which physics or chemistry or biology, but it tried to understand whether it is physics, chemistry or biology, and it wrote it. If you want, you can edit it. Can you see I am typing here randomly some text? If you want, you can do all the changes and save it. Okay. Till here, if anyone have any doubt, please post in the chat box. Yes, it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free. Definitely, you try it. If you want, you can parallelly do with me, so that if you have any queries, you can ask me. I'll clarify all your doubts. Okay. So, if anyone have any doubts, please text me. Please put it in the chat box. I'll clarify all your doubts. So till now, what we have learned about web search option. We learned about use style option, and we also learned how to create a document, that is your document, and we also learned about how to make PowerPoint. So how many we have learned? 4 things. So if you want to make the PowerPoint according to the PDF you have uploaded, you can just attach the PDF and get it done. Your thing will be ready. Okay. Till here, is it clear? Can I go ahead? If anyone have any doubts, please text me. If anyone have any doubts, please. Okay. So I hope no doubts with you. So let us continue with our next option of our cloud. So till here is our PPT. You can edit the PPT and do all the stuff. Now, can you see here? This pin symbol is there. No, add file or photos. You can take screenshots, add files or photos here. If you want, you can add a project. Now, let us understand what is add connectors. Once you click on add connectors, in ChatGPT also you can actually add connectors. But here the like you get a number of things to be opportunity. Like I can connect with the Canva, I can connect with Black Box, I can connect with see, can you see there are numerous tools. Gamma tool. Gamma is most like you get most stunning PowerPoint. It is also used for AI. Then what is the difference between Gamma and Cloud AI? Means if you connect with more connectors, Gamma here with your Google verification and other stuff, you get stunning visuals. Plus, see, only visuals is not enough. No, in that stuff is also equally important. Content with beautiful content in it, suitable content to it. That's the reason why Claude plus Gamma is an greatest combination. Similarly, these all ad connectors will help you to do all the things like free files. We all know how it is used, and all the stuff. Beautiful videos can be done, PDF viewers can be done, and you get even Mercury AI is available. You can check all these features available. Just you have to click on plus button and connect with your Google, and that and this will get connected. See, like for example, I am searching for Gamma, so just click on Gamma, and if you see, Gamma is launching with your signing steps. I have to give my signing details. Once I have given my signing details, my Gamma will be connected to things. So as of now, I'm not giving any signing details because it takes certain time. So once it is done, you can use combination of Gamma and Cloud. Do anyone want me to connect? You will wait, I'll connect. If no, we will continue. Now till here clear, no? Is there anyone have any doubts? Now in the plus icon, we have discussed all these things except the projects. And next we have create content code. So let us write a code. So create a code to, so hi Cloud, I am asking you to create a coding Easter egg that would make my team smile. If you need more information for me, ask me 1 2 key questions, right? So, so it is asking me all the questions. So I have already promote whatever is there. I have done. So it takes certain time, and you get your gaming app or whatever it may be. You can code it. So actually, you get the code. GUI, graphical user interface applications, can be developed here. What are the triggering points and what all this can be done? If you see, it uses dev team, dev team. So all the coding will be run here. Apart from that, you can make your own calendars, make your own assistants, what not. For me, most beautiful thing I found is you can design your own websites very easily. And you yeah, all the thing is like you have the hosting permissions, you can host your websites. So these apart from that, it like for example, I'll give you a website and I ask it to analyze and give me the report. It even analyzes and give me what are the pros and negatives of that particular website. So it is also useful for analyzing the stuff. Can you see? Can you see nothing to be seen? So let us click on something. So what terminal you want to use? So you can go ahead with all the things. So this how you can develop an interface. If you want, you can try this code and do all the things. Okay, so if you want, you can download it. This application is ready. It is an HTML page. Same way we can do all the other stuff. Now let us click on the new one. Now sometimes we feel like my Google or my, we all know this is a generative AI. It try to understand us, and according to our comfort, it gives the content. Now whatever questions I am asking, sometimes I feel that all the questions need not to be saved in database of any AI tool. Then on the right side, can you see incognito window? So just click on use incognito, and once you click on it, whatever questions you are asking and whatever chart discussion has been done with you between you and cloud will not get saved in the server. The same option is not there with the chat GPT. Apart from that, whatever charts we have done, you can actually delete all the charts here. Now we have something like see, we have all the charts which we have done till here. Now we have projects. Projects is an advanced version, but let us see an artifact. So I want to design. What shall we design? Please post in the chat. So let me create a QR code generator. So I want to generate a customized QR code. So I want to enter. So let me give my live streaming. So I am copying my live streaming, and I just come here and paste it. So generate my QR code. If you use your Google Lens and scan it, my QR code is ready, and my YouTube channel is live. Like you can see in your device. If you want, you can actually try. Let me try so that I'll also show you what it is showing. So I'll just open my lens. Can you see? Can you see? I am clicking on my lens. Once I click on my lens, I'm opening camera and directing. So so once I click on it, you click on the touch button. So directly it opens the website. Can you see? So all of you, please try your QR code scanner for the same. Okay. So this is how it will work. Please definitely try. So how you can generate QR code, customize a QR code of your choice. That too free. You can develop a number of codes here. Okay, so these artifacts are free. Like you have so many things here, like learning something. You want to learn something, you can do it. Like I want to learn about molecular structures. I want life hacks of something. You can do it here. I want to generate a bedtime story. Now let us see. I want to develop a bedtime story of a child of 10 years old. So let me give some tips. It is an boy or girl, your choice. And what your bedtime story should have. You have like I want some science and experience, or animals doing all this stuff. You can take multiple things. It should be funny, silly, adventurous, silly, whatever you want. Just genre you can select and click on continue. What lesson should we include? Means out of the story, what it you have to include. If you have any morality, you can like I am like speed thrills but it kills. I know it looks so cheesy, but it's okay. I suddenly you ask me the moral, I don't remember. So I just click on create story. So it creates a bedtime story generator here. So beautiful now. Nowadays, children continuously watches. Like even when we are feeding as a mothers, we show stories. Now you see, you get your story. So if you don't like that story, you can create your own story one more. By using this story, you can create ask image prompts, and you can create videos also for all this stuff. Okay, this is how you can customize your art. Actually articrafts are quite easy. Now we all interested in games, so you can actually create a game. Like I want to draw a perfect circle. So let us draw a perfect circle. So I am trying to draw a perfect circle. How much accurate my circle is, you can do check it out. So this is how you can draw play all your games. If you want, you can give instructions here and ask it to create a game also, like joining dots and other stuff. You can do it here. Easy, medium, hard level. If you have any gaming idea, you can post it here and you can ask it to develop. And we already learned about creative. Nowadays, this Roblox and other stuff is more. You can create your own music here, pianos and other stuff can be done. Okay. Till here, anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. Till here, anyone have any doubts? So please let me know. Stop the chart and check my chart box. Good evening, Sarita Garu. How are you? Okay, you want me to increase the quality? You want me to increase the quality of my camera or the share which the screen which I am sharing you? Boga Bunny. The screen which I am sharing with you. Actually, I am using an high speed internet. Okay, 720p max screen. Okay. Okay, so I'll check the settings later. Now I hope my screen is fine. Okay, it is asking me to overlay. Fine. So, others, anyone have any doubts? Please let me know regarding cloud AI. So, next topic will be like we will be working on four things in cloud. Like I will be uh, teaching you how to use your cloud AI like your friend, co-worker. Like generally, what happens in our offices when new person comes, or in our workplace, or a new friend comes, we will tell everything about our work, what we are doing. Later, next time, what you will be doing, you will giving this stuff and asking them to do the work. Same thing goes here also. First, initially, you will be explaining everything to your client. So that is your customize option, which is on your left side, which we will be starting in the next session. So I have already told you, no, advanced level we will be learning about co-worker soon. So in Google Notebook LM, our last previous live, do anyone have any doubts? Please do text me. I'll clarify all your doubts and also this cloud AI. Do anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. So if anyone have any doubts, please let me know. I'll clarify all your doubts. I am here to clarify your doubts. Now you should ask me, ma'am, why we have to use cloud? Why not any other softwares? So, is it your question or I am imposing you some question? Why using ChatGPT is comparatively easy? Why not? Why I have to learn a new tool and use it? Okay. So, do anyone have that question? Because ChatGPT, of course, it came long ago. So, why we have to use Claude? We will check it out. One second. I made a simple PPT. We will discuss about all those things. So let me share my screen. So you will be understanding why we have to use this. So why not ChatGPT? Why Claude? This is like a comparative analysis of capabilities, safety, use cases, and pricing. Even pricing also we will be discussing. So we all know that ChatGPT's founder is OpenAI. 2015 it has been started and it launched for users on 2022. You have ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 4o, for ChatGPT 4 Turbo, so on. Backing is Microsoft, which is giving it fund like 13 billion is the right now. It has funded 13 billion plus. Apart from that, the users are in 200 millions plus monthly activities will be doing. The mission of is it is training our AI model for humanity purpose. purposes. That is your ChatGPT. Whereas Claude is by Anthropic 2021. It was found and it was launched on March 2023. Initially, it was started with 3.7. Google, Amazon, such companies are investing on it by 8 billions. And the mission of this is safe and beneficious. Now, what are the key capabilities? Let us compare, no, so that when we have to use what we have to use, we will be understanding. So, context windows will be like content will be 128K keys here, 200K tokens here, and the code generation both does an excellent job. But whereas long script writing, ChatGPT is very good, but excellent one is Cloud. So image understanding both is negative. So math and reasoning both works excellently. Web browsing, if ChatGPT is plus, it is Pro plus. Super. Okay, image generation as it builds on E3, it generates images and it also supports voice. These two are the greatest disadvantages of Claude. I feel it cannot generate images or cannot understand our voices. Right now, it is in process. So, what is the safety value? I already told Claude is harmless, helpful, and honest compared to ChatGPT. Okay, so no trust issues, nothing. So ChatGPT, it is free for limited people, whereas Claude is limitless message. Limit you get, but one open chat you have done maximum to maximum 8 to 10 discussions or 10 PPTs can be done. After that, you have to shift to new chart. Okay, in the same chart window you cannot do, but I have tried it out since morning. I am working on it. It did not have, I did not face any problem here. Plus pro options are there, which is of both $200, but Claude improves our productivity more. Anyway, these purchased versions right now we don't want because we work on basic things, so it is good. Now, in which situations which is best, we will understand. In ChatGPT is very good in image generation, plugin ecosystems, voice interactions, custom GPTs, and data analysis. Means if you have working on this sector, it is beneficial. Whereas Cloud is good in long documentation, writing everything, enterprise safety, especially coding. All the coders nowadays are using this. Apart from all these things, it is used for deep research. So I have clearly done a segregation between when I have to use ChatGPT, when you have to use Claude. If you want, you can take the screenshot or you can check out my video again. So this is all about why we have to ChatGPT versus Claude. If anyone have any doubts, please let me know in the chat, and please consider liking it. If you like our videos, please consider liking it. Do anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. In the next session, we will be learning about co-worker option. Hopefully in the next session, if not, because we have so many other AI tools, I'm planning to do at least in the next session about co-worker. I hope if everything is possible, I'll be showing you co-worker option also. So we have done. Now, if anyone have any doubts, you can post. Now whether and Gemini is coming next. Gemini Pro is coming next. Geo providing free Pro model will be shortly, but Gemini is the next thing which we are going to discuss. Now, compared to any tool, the thing is that how you are giving your prompt is very, very important. Weaker prompt will not give you accurate result. So you have to mention your strong prompt skills here. So write something about AI, it don't understand. Like you can write a 200 word LinkedIn post about AI, with which just saves my time for friendly, optimistic, or fix my code. Let's say this is a Python code, I have finding an error. Please find resolve the query and also tell me why it is wrong. You mention it very clearly, it will give you all. See, everything. If you are not getting accurate result by using any of the GPTs or any of the AI tools, problem is you are not giving correct or accurate prompt to it. So prompting is very very important when you are using GPTs. Prompting is quite important. So please check it out, how to use, how to ask AI your prompts. Now, where do developers use? Developers use in finding errors of their code, unit testing wala mein, API interactions it will be using. Writers will be using to write your book script, even your SEO, your hashtags in YouTube, thumbnails, everything can be done here with the help of your Claude. All the creative works, research works, students summary, helping them, other stuff can be done using Claude. Okay, so someone has posted something. Okay, so Gemini also we will be discussing in the next session. Till here, anyone have any doubts? Please let me know and consider liking my video. So I'll be waiting for your doubts. If no doubts, we will be signing off. So let us wait for 5 more minutes. If anyone doesn't have any doubts, I'll call off for the day. Hope you like the video. Do you like the video? Please comment. If you want me to do some changes, please let me know. And someone asked me about complex coding. Definitely, complex website building will be taught you soon. So thank you so much for being so patient and watching. If you like my video, consider liking, subscribing us, comment us. Your comment gives us a lot of motivation and energy. Thank thank you everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for considering me. And this is Roja Rani signing off. Thank you.